Yo guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Rune and today I will be reviewing the Nike Air Max 1 Patta Aqua Noise. 2 weeks ago, Nike and Patta dropped their first colorway of the Nike Air Max Wave collection. Everyone went crazy about this one because they actually changed the shape of the mudguard, as you can see, with these waves. That's also the name of the collection, Air Max Patta Waves. And just 2 weeks later, we already got our second colorway. So instead of the Monarch colorway, you now get the Aqua Noise colorway. So the shoes do come in the same special box as last time. So you got Love for All from Nike and Patta. It's actually a pretty cool box with some quotes. Size 8.5, retail price is €168, and this includes shipping to Belgium. So you actually get the same paper as last time with the black fist on there, and something that's only included in the special boxes is actually this pretty luxury looking Patta Air Max black velvet bag with in there your special bracelet with the Patta logo, a Nike logo, and the flag of the creator of Patta, the land of origin. So we're gonna start right here on the mudguard. So the first thing you'll actually notice is this new, very tiny silver mini swoosh right on the blue wave mudguard. Now with this color blue, I can actually see where the name comes from, because now it really looks like a real wave. In the Aqua Noise colorway, you'll also find this color on both of the swooshes. On the top lacing holes. Right here on the back in the embroidered Nike Air logo, and also right here on the tongue patch. When we move on to the toe box, you will find this very soft silver mesh. You will also find it back on the collar of the shoe. On the top of the shoe, you will also find around the lacing holes and also on both of the mid panels a very soft grey suede. When we take a look at the sock liner and also at the tongue, we will see that both of these parts are done in this off-white colorway, and the insole is done in this same off-white color. Right here on the top of the tongue, you will find a very small border of satin. It gives it just a more premium feeling and also a more premium look. And right below this border, you will find your tongue patch, which says Patta Air Max instead of Nike Air Max, so also a pretty cool detail. They come standardly grey laced, and you get the extra off-white color laces. Then we will continue to the midsole with, of course, your visible air unit. Take a look at the outsole, you will find maroon at the top and the bottom, and an Aqua Noise and more of a brown color in the middle. And now let's do an all feet. it was my review about the Nike Air Max 1 Patta in the Aqua Noise colorway. Hope you like it. If you like my videos, please subscribe down below, and also go follow my social media for some cool pictures of my room, my sneaker collection, and sometimes some behind the scenes. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!